guys, and today I'm back with another vending machine. For the top part, it dispenses the peanut butter, and as you can see, the quarters just stay right there, and the mechanism for this is just like really horrible. So this is where you get the money and also where you reload the peanut butter. And it fits 2 at a time, so I'm just going to take out one so I could show you how it works. This is not the best mechanism possible, but all you do is insert the quarter and the quarter will push the peanut butter. And that piece of cardboard over there stops both peanut butters falling at the same time. So now for the bread part, it does lock, but it's not the best lock. If you use like full-on force, then it will just work without money. And the mechanism was not my idea. It was by this like Japanese YouTuber, and I'll leave his channel in the description box. This is the lock mechanism, and it's not that great. It works if you press it gently, but if you try to like actually like spin it with full force, then it will work without money. And this is how it looks on the other side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put in the quarter now. So what the quarter does is it pushes that popsicle stick up so that it will allow it to spin. And that's basically how it works. And then it locks again. And this is where the quarter is collected. So once again, it's locked. So now that I put in the quarter, it pushes the popsicle stick up and allows it to spin. And then it locks once again. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let's try to get this video to 3,000 likes. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! And yes, I did forget the spoon, but you know, you could improvise and like dip the bread in there, I guess.